Hey guys, Brett here, and having your own web store full of products to sell is easily one of the most profitable things anybody can do to make passive income online. As a matter of fact, I personally make thousands of dollars from my web store. However, I realize that not everybody has their own products to sell. And because of this, I created a new AI-powered platform that allows anybody to quickly and easily create a full web store in any niche full of products, digital or physical, that they never have to own, create, ship, or provide support for. Let me go ahead and show you how it works.
Okay guys, so one of the best things to use Affiliate Store is to promote and sell digital products. So what's great about this is that you don't have to sell digital products that you actually own. There's plenty of networks out there that will give you digital products that you can sell, that will let you sell their digital products in order to get a commission. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a digital product to your affiliate store. Now, for this example, I'm going to go ahead and use the JVZoo network, but you don't have to use the JVZoo network. You can use ClickBank, you can use Warrior Plus. There's a variety of different networks that you can utilize and a variety of different products that you can put in your store. Generally speaking, though, you're going to want to put the same kind of product in the store, at least similar types, because they're all going to be relevant to the people that come to your store then. So here's a product by Joshua Zamora. I'm going to go ahead and add this product to my affiliate store. So the first thing I want to do is go back over to affiliate stores, and I want to go ahead and click on new product. This is going to ask me for a couple of things. The first thing is the product name. The second thing is the sales page URL of the product. This is the actual sales page of the product, not my affiliate link. The third thing is going to be my affiliate link. So I'm going to go ahead and enter in all this information, and then I'm going to go ahead and click save and continue. Now, Affiliate Stores is going to use AI to go ahead and scan the page and start writing a sales page for that product to add to my store automatically. Once it finishes writing the sales page, it's going to take me to a page where I can go ahead and edit it. The first thing I want to do is go ahead and change active to yes, because I do want this to show on my store. Now, if I wanted to, I can go ahead and change the content that the AI wrote, but I don't want to do that. AI does a great job of writing the content, and it writes it as a sales pitch. So it's really good content already. I don't need to worry about that. If I have a video for my sales page, I can go ahead and enter in my video embed code here. Now, I can go ahead and just leave everything like it is and click on Save Product. What I want to do, though, is enter in some images for my store. I want some images that are relative to the product to be inside of the product review. So I'm going to go ahead and add some images, and I'm going to get those images from the sales page for this product. So let me go ahead on over to the sales page, and what I'm going to do is just scroll down and look for some images that I'd like to be inside of my page. So I'm going to go ahead and right click on an image that I like, and I'm going to go ahead and save this to my computer. I'll save that one, and I think I'll save a couple of more here. Let's go ahead and save this one. And I think I'll save one more image. Let's do this one right here. I wouldn't spend a ton of time deciding on which images to save. Just go ahead and grab some images from the sales page, so that way you can use them to dress up your page on Affiliate Store. Once you have your images downloaded, head back over to Affiliate Store and just go ahead and upload those images inside of your store. I'm going to go ahead and save the product, and everything is all done. That page is now on my store, ready to make sales. Let's go ahead and take a look at it. And there it is. The page on my store, the images that I've uploaded, plus the AI generated content. And of course, at the bottom of the content is a link that will take people to the sales page via my affiliate link. So if they pick it up, I get an affiliate commission. So another great use for affiliate stores is to use it to sell physical products. So what's great about it is that you can sell physical products that you don't have to create, you don't have to own, you don't have to ship. You can actually sell other people's physical products with Affiliate Store. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a physical product to your affiliate store. So probably one of the easiest and best ways to find physical products to add to your store is on Amazon. So I'm going to head over to Amazon, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to find a product that I'm interested in adding to my store. So here's one that I'm going to go ahead and add. And to get started, I'm going to go back over to Affiliate Store and I'm going to click on the new product button. And again, this is going to ask me for three things: the product name, the sales page URL, and my affiliate link. In this case, this would be my Amazon affiliate link. So I'm going to head back over here and I'm going to get the product URL. Now, when you look at the product URL in Amazon, you might notice that there's a little ref equals. This is just for Amazon tracking, so you don't want that in that part when you go grab the URL. Just grab everything before the letters ref equals. I'll go ahead and copy this and take it back over to Affiliate Stores, and I'm going to enter it inside of here. Now, I'm not an Amazon affiliate, so I'm just going to go ahead and enter the sales page URL instead of my affiliate link. If this was on a live store and not a demo, you would want to enter in your Amazon affiliate. And again, I'm using Amazon for this example, but you can use any network that sells physical products that you're an affiliate with. Any site that sells physical products that will let you be an affiliate for, you can go ahead and utilize. I'm just using Amazon as an example. I'm going to go ahead and enter in the product name. And for here, you can see the product name is actually quite long. I'm just going to go ahead and shorten this and just grab endoscope camera with light. Actually, I'm just going to say endoscope camera. We'll go ahead and copy this, and I'm going to take it back over to Affiliate Store, and I'm going to paste it inside of there and click on Save and Continue. And again, the system is now going to use AI to scan the sales page and write a complete sales review of the product on my store. From this point, everything is the same as it was for a digital product. I want to make it active to yes, so that way it shows in my store. I can enter in a video code if I want to, and I can go ahead and I can edit the review if I actually want to, but I don't want to do that because the AI does a great job. I also want to go ahead and upload images, and I'm going to get these from Amazon as well. So you can see there are plenty of images here. All I have to do is right click, open in a new tab, and save this image to my computer, just like I did with a digital product. And we'll save the product. Now let's go ahead and take a look at it and see what it looks like on our store. So here it is on my store, and as you can see, I have a full, very detailed review of the product. I've got the images for the product, and of course on the bottom is my affiliate link, which if people click on that and make a purchase, I will get an affiliate credit. There's also some more products that are listed to get people to browse around and get them interested in the other things that you have on your store. And of course, if you go ahead and click on the home, you can see a full listing of all the products that are on the store for people to check out, for people to potentially purchase through you. And in this way, once again, you can have a complete store of physical products that you don't actually have to create or ship or even support.